So guys, we're opening a blind bag with Lily Love braids. So let's go open it now. Alright, I open it. See the color what we got. I want the purple one. So let's go. Oh my god. Wow. Yes. Oh, there's another one. So let's see what we got. So we got the purple. Yay! Okay. Oh no. So there's a plushie. Let's go now. And here she is. Wow. Now let's go dress her up into the closet. Just wait for a few minutes. I am done dressing her up. Look. Wow. So let's go open the plushie that she got. Okay. Now I'm gonna open it now. Okay, let's see what she got. Oh, it's Candy Cat. Wow. So let's go open the next one. What color should I get? I want the blue one. So let's go open it. Okay. Here's the closet, the plushie, and I got blue. Wow. So let's go get the kitty out. Oh, it's purple. Purple. So let's go. So let's go open the plushie. Oh, it's a fishy. So let's go put it here. So here's all of her toys. So let's go play with her with this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Play now. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's put it back to the closet. And now this is the last one. Yay! So bye bye guys. See you later now.